Welcome to SimpleCryptoStart, your go-to channel for beginner-friendly crypto guides. Today, we're diving into how Bitcoin works, the history and future. Whether you're new to crypto or curious about its journey, this video is for you. Hit subscribe and the bell for more. Let's get started. Let's start with Bitcoin's history. In 2008, someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto released a white paper called Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This introduced a new idea: digital money without banks. On January 3, 2009, the first Bitcoin block, called the Genesis block, was mined. Satoshi included a message. The Times 3 Jan 2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. It was a critique of traditional finance. Bitcoin's early days were quiet. The first real transaction happened in 2010, when a programmer, Laszlo Hanyecz, bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 BTC, worth millions today. By 2011, Bitcoin hit $1, and its value skyrocketed over the years. Today, it's a global phenomenon. With a market cap over $1 trillion in 2025, that's the history in a nutshell. Next, let's see how it works. So how does Bitcoin work? It's built on blockchain, a decentralized ledger recording every transaction. Imagine a public notebook shared across thousands of computers worldwide. When you send Bitcoin, the transaction is broadcast to this network. Miners then verify it using powerful computers to solve complex math problems. This process, called proof-of work, adds the transaction to a block. Once confirmed, it's linked to the previous block, forming the blockchain. This makes Bitcoin secure. One can alter past records. Each Bitcoin is divided into smaller units called satoshis, 100 million per Bitcoin. You don't need to buy a whole coin to start. Wallets, like software on your phone or hardware devices, store your Bitcoin using private keys. Think of them as secret passwords. Lose them, and your Bitcoin's gone. Bitcoin's supply is limited to 21 million coins, with about 19.8 million mined by 2025. This scarcity drives its value. Unlike dollars printed endlessly, that's the mechanics now. Let's look at the future. What's next for Bitcoin? In 2025, it's more mainstream than ever. Countries like El Salvador accept it as legal tender, and US Bitcoin ETFs make it easier to invest. Some predict it could hit $150,000 or more this year, thanks to growing adoption. Challenges remain. Energy use for mining raises environmental concerns, pushing for greener solutions like solar-powered mining. Regulations could also tighten. Governments might impose taxes or bans. But Bitcoin's community is resilient, with developers improving its tech. For beginners, the future means opportunity. Start small, use trusted exchanges like Coinbase, and learn as you go. Bitcoin could be a key to financial freedom or a roller coaster ride. Stay tuned for more. That's how Bitcoin works. The history and future with SimpleCryptoStart. Subscribe for more crypto guides, and follow me on TikTok at SimpleCryptoStart101 for quick tips. Start your journey with Coinbase, link below. What's your take on Bitcoin's future? Comment below. See you next time.